Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tool Guy Y. Hopefully you guys came from part number 1. If you guys haven't, definitely recommend you guys checking out part number 1 first. But if you guys did, welcome back to part number 2. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so next box number 2. What's in that box? Okay, oops. I got was 10-foot retractable test leads coming from Sunx Tools, part number 1129. It does 3 leads, or 3 alligator clips on each side. And I'm not going to really do much of an unboxing on this one because we're going to try to keep the video short and sweet. But it is, I believe this is magnetic. I believe it is magnetic. No, it's not. It is not. Damn, that sucks. Anyway, really nice stuff. Just pull it, and wind it up. Very easy to do. Okay, so we got that, and this is the 10-foot retractable test leads, and yeah, I ended up going with the 3. Because I can always like pinch this together and pinch these together, so you know I could most of the time I only use 2, so I don't know, it was just nice to have 3 for more you know, different situations. And the Sunx Tools was the 3 test leads were just as cheap as the 2, so I decided to go with 3. Another one. What is in the box? Okay, I remember. This is coming from a brand that I actually don't know much about. And this is just some low profile impact sockets for lug nuts. This right here is the let me double check on this. Sorry about that, guys. So this right here is the, it's a weird brand. I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's AYLEID. Never heard of them. But the part number on this, if you guys are interested in this, is, let's see. Part number on this is AY4-JP039. And so it comes in 15, 17, 19, 21, and 22. And the reason why I bought this is because they come with sleeves. And the sleeves, what the sleeves do is they protect your rim. So if you're working with expensive rims, these sleeves, they protect your rim from getting damaged from the oh man, I don't think that was supposed to come off. Oh, you think it is? Yeah, that's just temporary. But yeah, it protects it from the actual socket. And to be honest, this kind of looks like the Pittsburgh one, but the Pittsburgh one had, I think, 2 more. It was standard sizes as well. But this was actually pretty cheap. This one ran me $23, so it wasn't too bad. It wasn't over there busting my balls for, you know, a lot of money. But you know, as you can see right here, it did come already cracked, the case, the blow molded case, so that's not a good sign ever. But you know what, the sockets look fine. And to be honest, I rarely use these, but when I do use them, I do need them. So, or when I do need them, I never have them. So I finally decided to invest in one of these. Okay, then we have the, oh no, we're missing a socket. Oh no, there it is. Okay, so Sunx Tools. Nice stuff right here. Sunx Tools. I did lose a couple sockets. I'm not proud of that. Out of my Matco 1/4-inch swivel. And these do look a lot longer than the Matco ones. But it's the same swivel action though. The neck right here is a lot longer, but I did decide to get a 12 replacement 12 and a replacement 7. So we have that right there. Something small, just, you know, I believe these sockets actually ran like $9 as well. So these two Sunx sockets were actually pretty nice. And I did hear some good stuff about them, so, you know, I just decided to go with these Sunx as well, instead of paying like a ridiculous amount for a replacement one off the tool truck and whatnot. So it's not a big deal to me that there are, you know, mismatched brands, but, you know, I wish they did, but I would not pay, like, I don't know, I forget how much they're selling it, but I changed my mind. I asked them how much it was on the Matco truck, and I decided not to go with them. I just went online and got the Sunx ones instead. Lastly, we also have the Sunx Tools 48-piece quarter-inch drive SAE and metric socket set. And I actually bought this. I didn't realize it was the. I didn't realize there was standard or SAE. Anyway, this was actually a decent price set. This one ran. Let's see. This one ran $54 for the 48 piece. And the reason why I got this is because my Craftsman sockets, a couple of them broke, and I'm not trying to replace them or anything with Craftsman. I'm over the Craftsman. That's what I kind of, you know, that's what I used when, when I was, when I first started off in the field. So that's what I actually, started off with, and, I better hurry up because my battery's starting to die. But out of the box, really nice stuff. Has all your little specs right here, 3/16 to 9/16, 4 millimeters, 15 millimeters, all that stuff, all that good stuff. Part number on this is 1848, and I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Okay, so this is actually really nice as well. Yeah, this is actually really nice. So 4 to 15, and I don't believe it skips sizes. I do like how they have a 4.5 and a 5.5, because a lot of quarter-inch sockets don't have that. Usually the cheap ones, they kind of skip over that 5.5 and 4.5, but it's actually really nice to see that over here as well. And then they have the shallows as well. Deep, shallow, shallow, deep, standards, metrics, and these are really, really shallow. Compared to the Craftsman one I have, these are actually pretty shallow. So kudos to Sunx Tools. And let me check if there's anything else in the box. Oh, look at that. Amazon sent over a cat. Anyway, guys, that was my my tool haul video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna do a lot more, but in time, because, you know, I'm not trying to spend all my money on tools or whatnot. The only reason why I did a tool haul is because these are some of the things that I need to complete my jobs. So yeah, definitely stick, you know, stay in tune with that. If you guys don't know already, check out my Instagram, ToolGuyY. I do post daily on that. And I'm planning to do some giveaways or whatnot, so please check it out. Give me a follow, say hi, say what's up. I'll definitely get back to you guys. If you guys are going to my Instagram through YouTube, say hi, let me know that you watched my video. I'd love to hear what you guys thought about it as well. Thank you guys for watching also. You guys are great. I love the support. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys have a great day. Please, if you guys did like this, and if you guys did like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, smash that like button. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, wonderful morning, whatever it is. Hope you guys have a great day. Shoots.